And roll.
Alright, we did a fake whip where we drew her in like a whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We walk 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And you can make that an 8 count also. You're going to do a coaster step. 1, 2, 3, and forward. Walk, walk, turn around, short. Okay, from here we did a turning side pass with the lock whip ending. With 1, 2, catch the arm, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We'll do that this direction. So turning side pass, 1, 2, slide up to the biceps. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Like that. Okay, I've lost count too. Okay, from here we did a whip, but I went to double hand. 1, 2, 3, and spun her 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can watch her go by. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Or you can turn her, spin her behind your back. Do it this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. And one last thing, I can also hook the arm. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. But I want to make sure I watch. Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Thank you.